नमस्कार व्यूअर्स, आपका स्वागत है रेडियो द्वारका में। आज हम आए हुए हैं आर्टेमिस हॉस्पिटल और मौका है पल्मोनरी हाइपरटेंशन सेंटर के इनॉग्रेशन का। तो समझते हैं ये क्या चीज़ है। और मेरे साथ हैं डॉक्टर नौलिन सिन्हा, जो कि चेयरपर्सन है न्यूक्लियर मेडिसिन की आर्टेमिस हॉस्पिटल में। डॉक्टर नौलिन, सबसे पहले तो आपका स्वागत है रेडियो द्वारका में। मैं ये समझना चाहता हूँ, ये जो पल्मोनरी हाइपरटेंशन सेंटर है, थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में बताएं, और ये पल्मोनरी हाइपरटेंशन क्या होती है इसके बारे में भी प्लीज़ बताएं।
So basically, pulmonary hypertension is an issue where the pressure in the pulmonary arteries are the arteries that supply the heart. So when there is increased pressure in the pulmonary artery, the back pressure changes, there is more load on the heart. And that causes symptoms in the patients. Patients may complain of breathlessness, tiredness, which is not explained otherwise. So that is what we mean by pulmonary hypertension.
जनरली हाइपरटेंशन की जब हम बात करते हैं तो भी जैसे ब्लड प्रेशर है। सो नाउ इफ आई से आर वी गोइंग टुवर्ड स्पेसिफिक थिंग्स इन?
Yes. So, the heart has two sides to it, right? The left side and the right side. The left side supplies blood to the rest of the body. The right side, the right ventricle, pushes blood to the both the lungs. And the blood that goes there, that gets oxygenated by the lungs and comes back to the left side of the heart and is supplied to the rest of the body. So when the right side, the pressure in the lungs increases, right? Or there is some problem in the pulmonary arteries that are supplying the lungs. So that back pressure causes changes in the right side of the heart. And that is where all the problems start happening.
Is there specific medicines for this?
So it actually depends on the cause of pulmonary. There are many causes. One may be actual narrowing of the blood vessels that are going into the lungs. The other may be complete blockage somewhere along the end of the vessels that are causing back pressure changes. Or there may be problem in the lungs itself. It's like you have a tap, you have the pipes, and you have water flowing through it. So issues, if there is a blockage in the pipes, water can't flow. So that, tap pressure keeps increasing. Ultimately there will be a problem, right? So the heart is the tap, the pulmonary vessels are the pipes, and blood is the water flowing through it. Yeah. That's in layperson, very simple terms.
Dr. Nolin, can you please tell me the role of nuclear medicines in this?
Yeah. So nuclear medicine is a diagnostic modality. We look at functional imaging. Okay. So whenever a pulmonary hypertension is suspected, they will start with echo. If that shows raised pressures, then you want to look at the different causes of it, right? So we are doing a functional imaging where we're looking at the air supply to the lungs as well as the blood supply to the lungs. So small changes are detected much earlier by our modality. The vessels go into the lungs. End result is the lung tissue that is getting supplied. So if there's any blockage, any shortage in the blood supply to that area, we are able to pick it up. And this picks up much earlier, especially a condition called chronic thromboembolic cause of pulmonary hypertension. It is one of the causes of pulmonary hypertension, but it is a reversible cause. Unlike other causes which would require treatment for a long time, in this a little surgery or maybe a little stent into that particular blockage to clear the blockage, and the treatment is, you're done with, it can get reversed. So it is very important to, rule out this cause before proceeding, and that's where nuclear medicine comes in. Of course, there are many other investigations also, but this is one part of it, which is an important diagnostic test to rule out what we call a chronic thromboembolic cause of pulmonary hypertension.
How this center is different and how it is going to help patients?
So as I said, we have a nuclear medicine department which deals with very specialized diagnostic services. Nuclear medicine has a gamma camera with SPECT CT. So this gamma camera is a functional imaging modality. So how we are different is it requires a very specialized setup, approval by the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board. So it is not present everywhere. So it's just the tertiary care centers that have this. But this one piece of equipment can make a whole lot of difference in the management of, especially since we are talking about pulmonary hypertension, it makes a lot of difference in the management of these cases. As I said, if you can rule out the cause, a reversible cause, then your whole management changes, because with one little procedure after that, you're able to avoid lifelong treatment. So yes, it makes a lot of difference, and Artemis, we are lucky to have the best equipment. We have a couple of years ago upgraded all our machines, updated everything. So we state of the art equipment, yes.
सो व्यूअर्स, आपने सुना डॉक्टर नोलिन से कि ये सेंटर और ये जो चीज़ है वो कितना रोल प्ले कर सकती है किसी भी पेशेंट की रिकवरी में और उसके ट्रीटमेंट में। अब आपसे विदा लेते हैं, जुड़े रहें रेडियो द्वारका के साथ।